there's something you've been avoiding. Not your goals. Not your responsibilities. Yourself. Because deep down, you know something isn't right. You don't say it out loud. You don't post about it. You don't admit it to anyone. But when it's just you, alone, quiet, you feel it. That uncomfortable truth. You're becoming someone you don't even respect. It doesn't happen overnight. You don't wake up one day and suddenly hate who you are. It's slower than that. More subtle. You start breaking small promises to yourself. I'll wake up early. You don't. I'll stay consistent. You quit. I'll change. You delay. At first, it feels harmless. But every time you don't follow through, you send yourself a message. My word doesn't matter. And that's where it begins. Not failure. Self-betrayal.com. You didn't become this version of yourself by accident. You trained it. Every time you chose comfort over discipline, you trained it. Every time you avoided what you knew you should do, you trained it. Every time you said later, you trained it. And now, it's automatic. You don't even think about it anymore. You just scroll. You just delay. You just settle. That's the dangerous part. When a bad life starts to feel normal. Look at your life honestly. Not emotionally. Logically. If someone else lived your exact routine, had your habits, made your decisions, would you respect them? Or would you look at them and think they're wasting their potential? That's the moment most people avoid. Because it's painful, but it's also powerful. Because you can't change what you refuse to face. This feeling you have, it's not random. It's not weakness. It's awareness. A part of you still knows who you're supposed to be. Stronger, more disciplined, more focused. And every day act on that, the gap grows between who you are and who you could be. Gappy. That's where frustration lives. That's where self-doubt grows. That's where respect disappears. No one did this to you. Not your past. Not your circumstances. Not other people. You did this. Through inaction. Through avoidance. Through choosing what's easy instead of what's necessary. And that might sound harsh, but it's actually power. Because if you created this version of yourself, you can rebuild it. You don't fix this with motivation. You fix this with proof. You start small, and you finish what you start. One promise. Kept. That's it. Not 10 goals. Not a complete life overhaul. Just one thing. Done properly. Because every time you follow through, you rebuild trust with yourself. Trust creates respect. You don't become someone you respect by thinking differently. You become someone you respect by acting differently. Daily. Consistently. Even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. Because discipline is proof. And proof changes identity. 1 year from now, you will be someone. The question is, will that person respect you? Or will they look back at this moment and realize you had the chance to change everything and didn't take it? Don't let that happen. Start now. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Because the moment you start keeping promises to yourself is the moment you stop becoming someone you hate and start becoming someone you respect.